Hi everyone, I'm in Russia now, in my home city, Vladivostok. I was born in this city. Today I read news in Facebook about Philippines, about Pampanga. And I want to say to you, I know this guy who now arrested and waited deportation. And some times ago, we walking with Shaira from Oktoberfest. It's maybe 2 weeks or 2 weeks, maybe 2 years or 3 years ago. And one guy, he pushed me in near Phyllis bar, and he said it's not allowed filming in this area. So this guy is pastor from Mexico, Pampanga, and in description of the video I put link to Facebook account Bureau of Immigration, and you can already read. Sorry guys, I cannot always reply to comments because I always busy here. I drive my car any places in Vladivostok and near Vladivostok. And very good weather now, very comfortable in Russia, in Vladivostok. It's temperature about 25 degree, but if sunny day, temperature about maybe 27, 29. It's very good weather, very good. Not hot, not cold. Today windy. You see, I walk now. I will show to you bridge, Golden Bridge. I live near Golden Bridge. Only another side. I will show to you. Here, good view to the Golden Bridge. And my home in another side of the bridge. Another side you can see container terminal. Vladivostok container terminal. I lived here maybe 30 years ago. 25 years ago. I was live here in Vladivostok. And I moved to China for study. But it's my home city. I just don't understand why these view places don't have good road. And in this city road is not good. Only main road. But take a look how is. We don't want to fix. I try to go inside and park here, but my car is small. That's why I cannot park here. You see how we drive here. It's okay, but I like this city. Many interesting place here. You can watch later in another video. Take a look here, house is broken after the fire. I think soon some people want to build house here, big. This is the center of Vladivostok. But few tourists know about this place. I park my car little bit far from viewing place. Truck parked here because broken, and he repairing the road. Truck driver repair tire. And I park my car here, Nissan Leaf, because don't have place near viewing place. don't have parking. Better talk in the car. Before go to Russia, my planning is to sell my car, Nissan Leaf. I bought this car in Japan, and this is new car, right-hand drive. And I not use car because I always stay in Hong Kong, China, or live in the Philippines. So in Russia, I not always go to Russia. Before, I was in Russia before COVID, and I used car 7 years ago. And always my car, I park in my garage. I have own garage, and of course on my home, my house, also in Vladivostok. That's why not need to pay so much for car, only pay tax. It's not expensive. Every year I pay about maybe $40. It's not big money. But I'm worried about car because it's electric car. It's first generation, it's Nissan Leaf. I don't know how long kilometers I can drive this car now because 7 years I not use car. But I now try to charge car, change battery, 12 volts battery change because it's already dead battery. But you know, I use car, it's not problem for me, about 110 kilometers, it's easy. But first generation, it's maximum is 120 kilometers. It's a maximum, maybe 125 kilometers. That's why I am really shocked. My car can drive 100 kilometers easy. Every day I charge car. And also in Russia, very cheap electric power. I charge in my garage. When I drive, I park my car and charge. Morning again, my car is full battery and I can drive anywhere around Vladivostok city and also an island. So not problem. For daily use, car is very good. It's I want this car use in Japan. I want this car in the Philippines because it's really good car. Small car, comfortable, electric car, but problem in the Philippines, electric power is so expensive. So in the Philippines it's good for Philippines use electric car, but for Philippines it's expensive electric power. Sorry guys, I not always reply comments, but for some comments, of course I read comments, but I cannot reply because I am busy always here and traveling also. But I will reply later, of course. Someone asking me about when I come back to the Philippines. I come back to the Philippines, I think on 1st of September or end of August, maybe. Because I need to finish all my documents. I bring document for my brother Alex, and I just waiting decision of Russian court. Because in Russia, Alex still alive, but I want to show all Filipino document about what happened with Alex, and I bring to all original passports and show to judge, and that's why I wait only now. But I think soon it's already I finish here and come back to the Philippines. First I will go to the China because my flight from Vladivostok to Beijing airport again, 6 hours in Beijing, and fly to Hong Kong from Beijing. And from Hong Kong to Clark Airport. Some of subscribers asking, how is Russia now? In Russia, very good, really. Food is cheaper than in the Philippines. So more choice. People is also nice. In my place, don't have any problem. I can filming anywhere, in public place. No one who can say I don't want in the video. Not problem, even in the beach. So don't have beggars. Clean. Most of the places is clean. But road sometimes not good. If side of a road sometimes not good. But most of the main road is very good, and I drive anywhere here. So I like this city, and maybe I come back again next year, summertime. But wintertime I don't like, because it's so many hills. In this city, so many hills, and not easy to drive. I can drive, of course, but it's not easy. Not easy who don't have experience, driving experience. It's not easy really, because it's sometimes road is very wet, and if cold is ice in the road and snow. So if I come back to Russia, meet with my mother, I will go only summertime. And summertime I can use my car, because it's car electric, not easy to drive in the winter time. But winter time really it's not comfortable. Thank you for watching. I will show to you another video from my place. And don't worry, I will continue live stream in the Angeles, Red Street, Walking Street.